What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new POV video. Now today you join me in one car that is very popular, that is the Polo Gti. So the previous generation VW Polo Gti, and this one in particular is also somewhat popular on Instagram, so as to say. So do check out the Instagram, which is on screen right now. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are already following the page, and big thanks to the owner for giving me another opportunity to have a go in this thing, because I actually quite like it. So yeah, we'll go for a quick POV drive and let's see what the 6C has to offer. I quite like the clink of the shift pedals that the owner has put on. It's quite satisfying. So yeah, let's catch up with the 6C Polo GTI. So underneath the bonnet, have a 1.8 liter turbo 4-cylinder motor making 140 kilowatts, which is around 190 horsepower, and 250 newton meters of torque. So this was the days of the DQ200 platform, so it has the 7-speed dual clutch transmission, the one that is quite infamous for being problematic. So I've actually done a lot of videos about some of the issues that these cars may face, so I'll link the video down in the description below in case you want to check it out. So with all of that being said, let's experience the drive on this car. But one thing I'll say, compared to the newer Polo GTIs, this one just feels a bit more aggressive, so as to say, especially the gearbox. Like, it has this kick to it on gear changes. It just makes it a lot more interesting and engaging to drive. Down my window a bit. There's quite a lot of traction also. As you can see, the road is very damp. But yeah, the car is doing a great job at handling the power. Oh man, that gearbox is such a damn to operate. Oh man. So my opinion about this car hasn't changed really. Like, if you're running on a traction control kicking in a bit, so if you're running on a budget and you can't really afford any of the newer ones, like, you're not missing out on anything with this car. We currently have heated seats going on. Okay, they're off now, but we were running heated seats. There's Apple CarPlay. Sure, the interior is showing its age now, but for me personally, I don't really care much about any of those things, as long as I can connect my phone and listen to music. First priority is performance, how fun the car is, and this one really delivers. I don't think you'll ever feel like you're lurking in power and performance here. Oh man, this thing sounds incredible. So compared to the newer ones, this one sounds a lot deeper, and that pop on gear changes is just a lot more out there. Oh man, it sounds so great. Oh, what a car. This thing is so cool.
Gearshifts are aggressive, eh?
Yeah, they're very aggressive.
You can feel it.
Jeez, man. So with the newer DQ250 cars, they're a lot smoother. It does take away a bit of the experience when it comes to enjoyment and emotion. So this one you feel a lot more connected to it. Oh man. Let me lower the window again. So we'll just go for a couple of laps around here. Such a nice and quiet day today, thankfully. Like so many other VW models, the gearbox is just very responsive and engaging. Man. So the steering wheel feels, I wouldn't say it's heavy, but it has a good amount of weight to it. It doesn't feel too soft. Man, I like this thing, eh? I think for the rest of the video, I'll try to stay quiet and let you guys enjoy the experience. Also, the other thing I want to do, I want to hop out the car later and capture some exterior shots so we hear that sound a lot more. If we go that way, yeah. Still so cool, hey? Jeez. Oh, and the robot is open. Let me continue. Or what? and then I'll come back around this way. Like having a roadblock here. Yeah, or just this. At the back. yeah guys, that is it from me to you with this POV video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, that's cheers from me.